There we go. This will hold it in place. Nothing a bit of black tape can't fix. That should fit. Just for extra protection, I'll give one more strip. Now usually what I would do is shake this thing around like crazy in order to make sure that it's sturdy, but considering the sensitive nature of the situation, I'm gonna play it safe. Perfect! It works! Ga! Ga! Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. How's breakfast going? Good. There you go. Tuesday morning coffee, check. Tuesday morning family spending time, check. Now I need to go and start my day. It's 9:35. Bye. Bye. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum. Yassine's off to his grandparents' house. No, not the grandparents he usually visits, but my wife's parents. His granddad's flying away on Sunday, so they're gonna go and spend some time with him. I will be joining them later on, very briefly, just to pick them up. It's always sad to go our separate ways. Oh, calm down. Okay. All right, that was great. That was great, 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 great. The tape's come off. Been a while. Good to be back. Let's open this blind. Let some sunshine in. The boy's back.
I'm back.
Alright, guess what?
Yo.
It's day 50 of the vlog. Day 50. 5-0. I had to change the thumbnail on yesterday's video because someone got a little bit self-conscious. I was cracking on with a little bit of editing until my man showed up. So you know what that means? That means no work is gonna get done for the rest of the day.
Nah, I was working in the coffee shop.
That's why I didn't come, bro. Because if I came...
Yeah, 100%.
It would have been... if I came, it would have been a mess, bro.
I'll tell you why I've left the coffee shop, yeah?
Why?
But it can't be on camera.
Go on. What happened?
It can't be on camera, so I'll close
just,
this thing.
hold on.
Afraid. I just put you behind bars,
That's your meal, dear, yeah?
Indeed. Oh!
Yeah, that's fine. That's you, man.
Chocolate.
Don't judge me, man. They got me this. They got me this, honestly. They did.
Who's they?
No.
I didn't mean to disturb your flow. I was
Like
just...
you leave me without saying goodbye, bro.
Of course not. Why do you think I'd ever leave you without saying goodbye?
Jeez,
Only when you're like busy, obviously.
What you saying, bro?
Listen, bro. If you know of any interns, you let me know.
I know a few.
I think I'm gonna need an intern. Alright, lads. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Peace out, bro. Drive safe.
Hold. Oh. On my way to pick up the family. It is peak. Well, it's supposed to be peak rush hour time. Oh, my dad's calling me. Assalamu alaikum. Tara babala sunu. The journey usually takes about an hour and a half to an hour and 40, sometimes an hour and 45. But because it's half term, it's only an hour and 20, which is good. Because I need to go and go to my mum's house at some point. My uncle's coming around, and oops, I don't want to be the party pooper, and say no, I can't come and socialize when I do that most of the time. So 9 times out of 10 I'll say no. I think this is the one occasion where I have to say yes, I'll be there. Otherwise it's going to be 10 out of 10 times where I say no. Also, I've already unfortunately let him down once. I was supposed to do some filming on the weekend for him. I can't do that because I'm hosting my family for lunch at our apartment. Life. Entering a bridge. I mean, tunnel. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? You okay?
Okay, be a good boy, okay?
You hear that? You have to be a good boy. What do you mean? So he's asleep, innit? Yeah, so I'm just gonna drop him home and then I'm gonna come down. So probably like maybe hour, just over an hour, something like that. My in-laws live in the city where the better and wealthy side live. So it takes a while to get here. It's probably gonna take about an hour and a half. I did tell my uncle just now that I'm gonna be an hour. It's not gonna happen. It'll probably be closer to 2 hours. But, you know, hey ho. I'm only going there to make an appearance. I hope he's not watching this vlog. No, I don't know. I just think it's a little bit more... I don't know if you can see this. Basically, the last 2 days, my lips have been super tight. And at the edges are really raw. My wife reckons I need to put nipple cream on it. If you cut my legs off and everything. Well,